This is Mobile World Progress at Mobile World Congress 2014 in Barcelona. We'll be taking a look at how mobile will unleash the future.
Why mobile matters. It's like saying, why does computing matter? Why does the ability to have a network and communicate matter? Why mobile matters is sort of a first world question, or maybe it's a question for people raised in browsers. But if you look around you, computing now travels with us. Technology is so powerful, and the internet exists at such a big scale, billions of people. So how does each one of us still remain one? How does each one of us have some control and impact over our lives? The internet is the structure of modern life. It's important that a critical mass of us understand it, see it as ours, and get engaged in building it.
My name is Elena Mira. I'm a Director of Firefox OS Operations for Telefónica. So mobile matters because people are actually not connected in their homes and they need to be connected somehow. So now they're actually connected to mobile, and the Firefox was able to meet this particular demand.
I am Lisa Schäfer and I'm working for Deutsche Telekom. Mobile just brings people together. There's so many people that don't have access to it, so I think this is going to be more important to bring this to the entire world and make this opportunity usable.
I'm Sam Evans, I'm Strategy Director at the GSMA, and I have a particular focus on the developing market strategy. Mobile really matters now because as the world moves into the IP and the software world, more and more services can be provided through devices. And so we see that mobile can identify individuals so they can have access to health records. Mobile can be used for voting, so people suddenly become part of a social system where they have a say in the way government is run. It becomes part of the financial infrastructure. Everything happens through the device. And if people don't have access to those devices, they don't have access to the services. And what we really don't want to see moving forward to 2020 is a true global digital divide. Uganda, for example, they've got a program there where you can register children at birth using SMS technology. And that means that if you're registered at birth, you can have access to vaccinations. We want to connect the next billion people. And I don't think there's any other industry that really has that global impact and opportunity.
We're in a big period of change. The $25 handset is very important to the industry. If you look at Mobile World Congress this week, everyone's talking about growth in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and it's about enabling access to the half of the planet's population that don't have phones. That has to be at a much, much lower price. It's very important as the internet becomes a more dominant part of our culture, of our society, that it comes from people and that it's not a form of oppression or control or even of subservience to commercial interests, but it's an expression of people's will.